There are several modes of concentration in Zazen, depending on your progress of sharpening the mind. The easiest for beginners is counting the breath. So start with counting every inhalation and exhalation from 1 to 10. So 1 on the inhale, 2 exhale, 3 inhale, and 4 exhale. If you lose the count, return to 1. The next is to count only on the exhalation, so that one full breath counts as 1. So inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. And this is the mode I am currently applying. A bit more difficult is to count on every inhalation, for most physical and mental activities performed while one exhales. So inhale 1, exhale. Inhale 2, exhale. Again from 1 to 10, and if you lose the count, return to 1. A further step is to follow your breath with the mind's eye only. And this brings me to a method for the advanced practitioner. It is called Shikantaza. Literally it means just sitting, but it's sometimes described as sitting in serene reflection. This is a heightened state of concentrated awareness. It is the mind of somebody facing death, if you will. And this state cannot be maintained for long. In fact, one should not do Shikantaza for more than 30 minutes. Some Zen masters apply a koan to their students. A koan is a question, a statement, or simply a word that cannot be understood or grasped by the intellect. It provokes the whole being of a practitioner and allows the Zen master to test the student's progress in Zazen. Examples of koans are the word mu, the question, what does your face look like before your parents were born? Or, what is the sound of one hand clapping? And koan Zazen is typically practiced under the supervision of a Zen master.